everyone, just wanted to show you a real quick overview of the color range tool in Photoshop. If you've never used it, it is something that is super handy. So I'm going to come up to select color range, and if you want to create a selection of something that is of a particular color or similar color within Photoshop, this is the tool to use. So I'm going to select this green. So I'm going to drop it on there, and notice that this is my selection here. Now I didn't grab as much of this grass as I would have liked, so I'm going to click on the add, or you can just hold down, let's see, I'm on there. I can just hold down the shift key and notice that my cursor gets a little plus sign on it. So if I hold down the shift key, it turns into add. If I hold down the option key, it turns into a negative. So I'm going to add, so shift, and I'm going to click in this green here, and look at what that did. It selected all that green in there. Now say I accidentally click somewhere, say here. Okay, that was a mistake. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to hold down that option key and remove that if it grabs anything. So I can just click around and say no, 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 just ignore all of this and ignore that. Okay, so you can click as many times as you like in here. The fuzziness is going to extend the range of color out a little bit. So basically, if it sees some slightly similar greens or yellows near it, it will grab those as well. And the range is just how much of the image basically you want this to look at. So if I picked this blue and I just wanted the sky, I would keep the range pretty small so that it wouldn't snag all these blues down here in the bottom. That is really, to get you going, all you need to know about the color range tool. So if I click OK, I have that selection, and now if I add, say, a vibrance layer to that, now click on that mask, you can see exactly what has been selected. I've got a little bit of sky in there, but I can always mask that out, get rid of it if I want to. So I have vibrance. So now if I change my vibrance, if I really crank it up, see what it does, just those greens. It's a very, let's just oversaturate it so you can really see it, very targeted adjustment. And I find it really, really handy for some of these complicated situations here where you just want to target one portion of your image. So I hope that gets you started on that color range tool. Show me some of your results if you can. All right, y'all have a great day.